morning, students. So, how are you all? So, today my topic is in 10th class logarithms, CBSE, SSC, ICSC, both the states, AP and Telangana, based on the textbook. I want to explain logarithms topic. So, first of all, logarithm, before I started the logarithm topic, so first of all, what is the exponent? And here I am taking logarithm. Okay, suppose already you know very well 2 power of 0 is equals to 1. Anything power of 0 is equals to 1, you know very well. So similarly 2 to the power of 1 is equals to 2, 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4, 2 power of 3 is equals to 8, and 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So you know very well. So based on the exponent, how to convert into the logarithmic form, this means so this is nothing but log of, in this right hand side value will become here log, and again here base is always base equals to 0. So this is about logarithmic form. So similarly here also log 2 base 2 is equals to 1, and similarly here based on that here log 4 base is 2 is equals, this power will be taken as right hand side, so log 4 base 2 is equals to 2, and similarly this is nothing but log 8 base 2 is equals to 3, and log 16 base 2 is equals to 4. So this is about normally in the exponential form convert into logarithmic form. Okay, so next I want to explain the definition of logarithm. So based on this, suppose here a power of x is equals to n, so that implies log n base a is equals to x only, no? So based on this, I want to explain the definition of logarithm. So now a power of x is equals to n, that implies this can be written as log n base a is equals to x. Okay, this is about logarithmic form. So where n is greater than 0 and here a is greater than 0 and a is not is equals to 1. Okay, so this is about definition of logarithm. Clear? So then based on that, suppose I will give some examples. So like suppose here pi power of x is equals to 100. So then how to convert into the logarithmic form means here log of 100 base 5 is equals to x. So similarly one more example here. Suppose here 7 to the power of y is equals to 49. So how will we convert this means log of 49 base 7 is equals to y. So this is about exponential form convert into logarithmic form. Okay. So next based on this, in that SSC textbook before 1.5 exercise some examples are there. Before I am going to explain the examples, but what are the formulas are needed for the logarithm? Now I want to explain what are the formulas. Logarithmic formulae. So first one is product formula. Log mn base a is equals to log m base a plus log n base A. So I want to explain this proof also. Okay, so now proof of this, suppose let log mn base A is equals to, I'm taking as P. So that implies this can be written as here a to the power of P is equals to mn. So this is equation number 1. So similarly, log m in the right hand side value, log m base A is equals to, I'm taking Q. That implies a to the power of Q is equals to m. That is equation number 2. Next here log n base A is equals to R. That implies a to the power of R is equals to n. That is equation number 3. Okay. So now based on this, how we'll get this? First of all here product of 2 into 3. 2 into 3 product what we'll get? So simply here m into n mn is equals to a to the power of Q into a to the power of R only. So that equals here mn is nothing but what? Substitute here a to the power of P is equals to a to the power of Q plus R. That implies here in the exponents both the bases are equal, powers are equated. So then P is equals to Q plus R. What about P? P is nothing but log mn base A is equals to log m base A plus log n base A. So this is the final result. So this is about a product formula. Log mn base A is equals to log m base A plus log n base A proof. So based on that remaining proofs also there, but directly I want to explain what are the formulas in that logarithm. First formula is log of mn base A is equals to log m base A plus log n base A, and similarly difference formula means here log of m by n base A is equals to log m base A minus log n base A, and the third one is log of x power of m base A is equals to, this is nothing but m log x base A, and similarly log A base A is equals to 1 and log 1 base A is equals to 0, and similarly sixth one is a to the power of log m base A is equals to m. Here both the bases will be equal, means then the value will become m. Okay. So the next seventh one is log of x to the power of m base A to the power of n is equal, this can be written as m by n log x base A. But in this logarithmic power will be there in the numerator, and again base power means denominator will come. So this is about formulas of logarithms. Okay, now I want to give before 5.1 1.5 exercise, I want to explain some examples. One in that is okay. Expand log of 343 by 125. So this is the question. See here, solution. First of all here 343 converted into, first the given question is log of 343 by 125. 343 prime factors are 749s, 7 7s, and again similarly here 125 prime factors are 525s, then next 5 5s. Okay, so now that equals, this can be written as log of 343 can be written as 7 cube and 125 can be written as 5 cube. Okay, that equals to, so now here this can be written as log of 7 by 5 whole cube only, no? Okay, so then you know one formula, log of a to the power of m is equals to m log a, and that equals here 3 into log of 7 by 5. So again one more formula is there, log m by n is equals to log m minus log n only, no? Okay, so that's why, so that equals to here 3 into log of 7 minus log of 5, then expand here, multiplied by 3, this is nothing but 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. So this is the final result in the example 21 page number. So next I am going to explain one more example. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. Single logarithm. Okay, but how to convert means the solution. What is the given? Given 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. So that equals to, you know one formula here, m log a is equals to, this is nothing but log a to the power of m. So similarly this can be written as log of 3 square plus log of 5 cube minus log of 2 to the power of 5. So then that equals here log of 3 square is nothing but 9 plus log of 5 cube is nothing but 125 minus log of, this is 2 power of 5 is nothing but 32. So just you taken as these two terms in one bracket, but it is in the form of log a plus log b is equals to log of ab now. So based on that, that equals to log of 9 into 125 minus log of 32. Okay, so now here 9 into 25, how much? So actually here log of 1125 minus log of 32. So simply again one more formula, log a minus log b is equals to log of a by b, that equals here log of 1125 by 32. So this is the result in that a second example. So it is page number 21. Okay, next, one more example. SSC textbook page number 22. Third example is solve 3 power of x is equals to 5 power of x minus 2. 5 power of x minus 2. Okay, so now see here, solve means you need to find out x value, but how we'll get the solution? So given 3 power of x equal to 5 to the power of x minus 2. Now here these two are in this LHS and RHS, these two are exponents. So applying, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Okay, so that implies log of 3 to the power of x is equals to log of 5 to the power of x minus 2. So now you know one formula, log of a to the power of m is equals to m log a, and that implies This is nothing but x log 3 is equals to x minus 2 into log 5. So now that implies x log 3 is equals to, here log 5 is multiplied with this product, means it is nothing but x log 5 minus 2 log 5. So simply now this x log 3 you taken as that side and 2 log 5 you taken as this side. So that equals here x log 5 minus x log 3 is equals to 2 log 5. So then that implies here x is taking common, log 5 minus log 3 is equals to 2 log 5. So finally that implies here x is equals to 2 log 5 by, but this value taken as in the denominator here product, no, this side divide, the log 5 minus log 3. So this is the final result in this sum. Okay, so next page number 22, one more sum I want to explain. Find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equals to log x. So you need to find out the value of x. Means in this LHS, this expanded form is converted into single logarithm, then equal to log x, then you will get x value. Very simple. So now solution is the given question, 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equals to log x. That implies this can be written as, you know already one formula, log of m log a is equals to log of a to the power of m. You know this formula. So that's why here log of 5 square plus log of 9 to the power of 1 by 2 minus log 3 is equals to log x. So that implies here it is nothing but log 25 plus log of 3 square, here 1 by 2 means 2 get cancelled, then you will get value is 3 log 3 minus log 3 is equals to log x. Here minus log 3 plus log 3 get cancelled. So that implies log of 25 is equals to log x. So finally then comparing the values LHS and RHS, but here log same means then 25 is equals to x. So this can be written as in the proper order, means here x is equals to 25, right? So this is about logarithms introduction and example sums in 10th class SSC textbook. Okay, so then in the next video I want to explain exercise 1.5 full exercise I want to explain you. Okay friends, so until keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you.